Are you still shading like this? Trying so hard to stay inside the lines, constantly hitting undo and erasing your mistakes? It's slow, it's frustrating, and it's keeping you from having fun with your art. This is Clipping Mask, and it's about to change your life. In this video, I'll show you why this is the most powerful tool in Procreate. So here's how it works. Step 1, draw your base shape, in this case a pear. And step 2, create a new layer and select Clipping Mask. Now I can use a huge brush to add my shadows, and it only shows up inside the pear. But here's the real magic. Because this layer is clipped, it follows the pixels of the layer below. If I decide to change the shape of my pear or erase a part of it, the shadows automatically adjust. You never have to repaint your details if you change your base shape. That's the power of non-destructive editing. You can stack as many masks as you want. One for soft shadows, one for bright highlights, and even one for textures. I'll grab a speckle brush and go wild. Because it's clipped, it stays exactly where it should. And if it's too much, just lower the opacity of the specific layer. Total control. I use the exact same steps for this cute raccoon. Look at this yellow raincoat. Without the clipping mask, it's just a mess of colors. With just one click, it becomes a nice shiny raincoat. So using layer clipping mask keeps your layers organized and your art crisp. So layer clipping masks are a total game changer. They save you time and let you experiment without fear. If you found this quick tip helpful, let me know in the comments and I would love to see you next time.